Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Do you want to make a cloud slime, but you don't have an instant snow? That's not a problem. I will show you two ways how to make a cloud slime with a diaper. One way will be fast and easy, and the second way will be a little bit more time consuming. But before I will tell you how to make them, it's time for a shoutout. Today I'm saying hi to Kocham Ciasteczka, Exnatixa, Super Nike, Maja Zub, Kompleksiaki Kingi, Julciak07, Horseme, and Natka TV. If you want to get a shoutout in my next video, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, turn on notification bell, and write a comment with a notification squad hashtag. Okay, now let's make that cloud slime. So first, it will be the fast and easy way. You will need a diaper, of course, and inside of it there is a hydrogel. So now you will need a bowl with water. Put the diaper in the water and let it sit like this for a few minutes. In the meantime, I will make a basic slime. I'm using a clear glue, but you can also use white glue. I'm adding blue food coloring, mixing it, and now I'll add borax. And it's a teaspoon of borax dissolved in a cup of water. You can use any other activator, a laundry detergent or contact lens solution with baking soda. So I will mix it until I will get a slime. Okay, here's the slime. So now let's go back to our diaper. It's already full of water. So now let's take it out and cut it open. Here's what's inside. I will take it out . And now we have to add it to our slime. Add it in small portions and mix it well. Keep adding it until you get a smooth texture. I have used about 2/3 of the diaper, and here's my slime. If your slime is still sticky, you can add some more borax to it. This slime is so much bigger and it's kind of fluffy. It also feels cold and a little bit wet, but it's not really wet. It's very nice. Now let's make the second cloud slime. It will be a little bit harder than the first one. So start with making a basic slime. This time I will make it pink. When the slime is ready, it's time for the diaper. I will not put it in the water now. I will just open it right away. And what's inside? It's cotton and tiny little balls like this. And this is actually an instant snow. So we have to separate the balls from the cotton. And as you can see, it's not so easy and it's time consuming. I'm using one more diaper, and here's what I got from 2 diapers. Now I will add a little bit of water to it, just enough to make it wet. So now this is our fake snow. Now let's combine it with our slime, mix it well together. And I have used here all of my snow, and this is my slime. It didn't get much bigger like the first one, and it also doesn't feel so wet. It's very soft, and when you stretch it, you can see those tiny strings. It's really fun to play with it. Let me know in the comments which slime do you like more, the first one or the second one. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and see you soon. Bye!